In this short tutorial, I will show you how to convert your Facebook account into a page. Converting your account to a page can be beneficial, especially if you want to promote your business or brand. It allows you to have followers instead of friends and offers additional features. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the top. And then tap on these three little dots. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap where it says, Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on the Turn On button to confirm it. Now you've successfully converted your Facebook account into a page, and all your friends are converted into followers as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.